Morning, guys. I'm already here at Heathrow Terminal 5. Time check, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, I think. Let's have some breakfast first before tayo mag-board puntang Milan. So boarding time I think is 6:30, so 6:30, so I still have time to have breakfast at least. So I've got with me my hot matcha drink and sandwich bun. This is gonna be my first solo trip. So fingers crossed, okay naman ng trip na to. Hello again. So time check, it's 3:12 na ng hapon dito sa Italy. Karating na pala ako. So from the airport, I head straight to Milan. And then drop off ko lang yung luggage ko na mabilis sa place ko. Then I went directly to Milan Central Station for my trip to Padua. So currently nandito ako sa Padua, Italy kasi I wanna go to the Basilica of St. Anthony of Padua kasi today, 13th of June, is also his feast day. So from the breakfast kanina sa airport, this is my second meal of the day. Dito na ako sa McDonald's kumain dahil sobrang gutom ko na, and I was hoping na makakapag-toilet sana ako, but unfortunately out of order yung toilet dito. Hindi rin ako nakapag-toilet sa train kasi I was asleep the whole biyahe. I was only able to wake up nung malapit na ako, hence the video. Anyway, I'm gonna start walking around para na masulit ko yung day ko dito sa Padua, or I think how the locals call it is Padua. So, good news, may sunblock akong dala kasi sobrang init dito today. Bad news is, naiwan ko sa luggage ko yung sunscreen ko for my face. Buti na lang meron akong dalang sombrero. So, at least, di ba? Anyway, let's get the day started. Pagod na ako at this point, pero laban lang. Sulitin natin tong trip na to. So guys, nandito na ako in front of the Basilica, just a few meters away. I love how Padua is not very touristy, decrowded. So, parang mas ma-appreciate mo ba siya compared sa mga touristy parts ng Italy. Then, ito siya guys. Ito na siya. Oh, it's too bright. Finally made it here. This is the Basilica of St. Anthony of Padua here in Padua, Italy. Ay, grabe guys. Na-lost pa ako on the way here. Hindi ko mahanap yung station na kailangan sakit. Pero it was all worth the hassle. And yung mawala. Wala lang. And look. There's like an artwork here in the corner. Still feels surreal na I'm here in flesh on his feast day. So, papasok na ako guys. I think kailangan ko patayin yung video. Pero, here's another look without me. There you go. nila ako ngayon guys sa Chapel of Relics here at the Basilica of St. Anthony of Padua. So may iba't ibang relic dito apart from the relics galing mismo kay St. Anthony. So merong list of relics na nakalagay sa entrance ng chapel. So I'm waiting for my turn para malapitan ko yung mga relics na yun. Yeah. Some of the relics are also here. St. Anthony of Padua. St. Anthony. This is how it looks like inside here in the basilica. So this is behind the altar. As much as gusto kong magstay pa, pero I still have like 2 to 3 hours of travel time going back to Milan. I need to take my leave kahit na ang ganda sana ng weather right now. Pero grabe, sobrang hilong-hilo ako sa init. Sumasakit din ulo ko. Pero place is so stunning. You know what I really like about this place? You know what I really like about Padua or Padua, Italy? Kasi it's really nice. Siguro maraming tao ngayon kasi it's the feast day of St. Anthony of Padua. Pero I think this is one of the most low-key places to visit here in Italy. Kasi hindi siya sobrang maturista. Hindi pa ako nakapag-ikot around. Maybe try natin mag-ikot. Let's do it. So, alis na ako sa Basilica. I think I've stayed there for like more than an hour na rin naman. So, time to make alis. Time to explore the town. Pero parang kailangan ko ng ice cream. Sobrang init, guys. Wait lang. Pilingan muna ako ng gelato. Para na ako natutunaw na yellow. Mango?
Cono?
Yeah.
Vale, grazie. Prego, ciao.
Hello. Get the two. I want chocolate fondente.
Fondente, ok.
Diyan nila nilagay.
Menta.
Just enough para ma-preskohan tayo.
Thank you.
Grazie.
Cafe.
Sabi nila, when you're in Italy, you should buy a gelato. Pero ito na nga, guys. Gelato. But here in Padua. Ba't ba ako bibili ng ticket pabalik? Saan ba ako bibili? Kasi I need to take the tram going back to Padua Central Station. But I don't know how. Oh my gosh. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Mawawala na naman tayo. Hanap na naman tayo ng bibilhan ng ticket. Look. Place is low-key nice. Di pa maturista.